Each feeder is composed of 2 loaders. The feeder can process cards of different size: ISO standard cards, mini cards, maxi cards. The card conveyor line can handle all these formats. The adjustment of the guide carriers is automatic by means of electronic commands. The card conveyor is composed of a pusher, auctioned by a belt with step movement. This system allows to work in selectivity mode with 2 different cards. This continuous movement is the most reliable for this type of product. The double sensor positioned after the card feeding can stop the K90 in case of error and remove the card. With this type of processor, we can process the following cards: standard, emboss card, transparent cards. The first card reading is done by 2 telecameras, one for the front and one for the back of the card. Each telecamera has a special lighter called coaxial. The light rays are parallel to the lens of the telecamera. This allows to remove any type of reflection. The system allows to decode data matrix, OCR, barcode. The second module sees the identification by magstripe and microchip, as well as the application of a biadhesive label. A selective spinner placed at the beginning of the module turns over adequately the card, allowing to load them progressively or decreasing mode. During chip reading, the card is held by means of a special gripper. An electronic sensor controls the presence of the biadhesive label on the card. In case the label is missing, the system rejects the card. Further application of the biadhesive label, the card is once again turned over face up by a second spinner. To apply the label on each position, the spinner is equipped with adjustable wheels. Card feeding can be either by single sheet or continuous sheet. The integration between the K90 and Kern AG input modules can satisfy any customer necessity. A folding group can be installed out of the feeding line. The adjustment of the document is automatic and set by program. Carrier can be identified either by barcode or data matrix, alternatively by a telecamera to detect an OCR code number. The robot is installed on its own structure support, avoiding vibrations are transmitted on the system's line. A sophisticated vision system controls the card positioning, verifying the exact placement, missed placement, eventual rotations, the non-application. The creasing group is integrated in the new plough folding module. The adjustment of the creasing module is automatic and set by the program. Each plough fold module is set to work right and left. The adjustment of the grouping modules is automatic and set by the program. These modules synchronize the K90 with the K2500 inserting machine. The grouping of the documents can be both under and over, of course in case the card is contained inside the same document. In case the card is at sight, one can group on the inserting line.